right. Yeah, that's still the late night show with Obi Martins, the head of the house. And they give head. The head of the house, Obi Martins, Skippy, and Ugochi. Yeah, we don't go market, we don't come back. Don't forget, say if you follow us for our social media, for Twitter at W Late Night Show, for Facebook, Wazobia TV NG, and for Instagram, Wazobia TV NG. I still day, like I don't day. If I will pick away, Igu no carry when it's small. Igu no fit carry am again. I do with my ladies, my Bonanza, and my Skipilicious Skimpy.
Thank you.
You know, old firewood.
Thank you.
Born way. New one, no one green land. And like we told you before, we get our guests there for house. These people are musicians they be, and they don't see na veteran they be. They don't dey for the scene.
You don't see.
Yes, I beg our viewers for house. Make una use una eye. Tell them good evening as I introduce Earthquake. Earthquake.
Our people for us. Good evening.
Hello.
Which one? Earthquake.
Hello.
Earthquake. Earthquake. Wait. Who say make I give a drink?
Hello.
I don't even know that the spirits went there now.
This is water of life.
You know, I want to give advice.
Okay.
The politicians when they do like this, they die quick. I think he went do like this.
Calm down. Look at him say people will do like this.
I won't know what
Now only like this I do. You know do. Now not see. Now only like this I do. People will do like this. Now then die quick. Me, I go live long.
Okay. Amen. Okay. I want to differentiate now. Bro, I also want to add this. Another one name I no can know.
Ice K.
Ice K. Okay. Ice K. Abi. Okay. Ice K. Because I just now you start respecting yourself. I know your age.
Oh, okay.
I want to give advice. Don't do like this again, no.
That's
Do
what I
like
want
this.
now.
Their father. Our president also their father. If you watch Buhari now, you know they do like this, so you don't go like this.
Waiting be that.
They rap your agbada with style. All right, my people, that you late night show with this, I will not see. I welcome Earthquake. But before we proceed, we get Coco of the day. Okay. We're going to get another segment we call People's Parliament. We're going to put in our hand up. We'll ask us some kind of question. And night today, any small picky where they want this show, go sleep.
Okay, so if we talk anything,
but I'm going to give you permission first.
Okay, we feel so we raise our hand
that time. Now
we
only
raise our
Earthquake
hand,
be the people who I see where they drink alcohol, they
Hey,
chop biscuits.
this is not
they
alcohol.
want to chop
I
apple.
am an elder in my church.
No.
This is water of life.
I hear you. Meanwhile, now Skippy be this. My first wife.
No, Skimpy, you too sabi.
You too much.
For that place where we dey give you that boski.
No be my
Wait, say
Boski.
No.
Earthquake is others is emotionally naked.
Yeah.
Now
But
they
for
want
she-
to eat the apple to go
No be
completely
say
naked.
one thing. You never introduce them.
Are they in a hurry?
No.
Jumping something.
In fact, I want to send you to Iraq.
Make you not come back.
No,
Iraq.
Iraq.
Iraq, war no
Why
dey there
me?
again.
Wait.
Just to go explore the
No
environment.
one no dey
Your legs
there
square.
again.
Your legs square. Take your leg, go.
I don't know, viewers. Earthquake. I don't know what Skippy they laugh. Skippy. Skippy.
Kimby, don't go funny.
Give me that.
Give me baby.
For my mind, I don't poison you like this. My woman, like this. No, my mind. All right, Skippy. You know, like, they laugh, they sweet you. Oh, now, Toggy, they sweet. No, you know what it.
No, it must sweet me because I don't know whether viewers where they house they calculate. But say then they calculate, then go see the distance.
The distance too much.
Why?
You get why?
I don't
look
know.
at
They
it.
even use
I don't
calculator.
look
This
You
is
said you
calculator.
cross
The
leg.
calculator high.
Horizontal,
vertical. You know, then calculator.
I need to help myself. Yes, I need to help myself. That's why the distance. I know I not tell you before. You don't know why I do am.
They
But now
say
you don't
if they
know.
marry new one, call they go pursue old one, go inside. Why don't give distance?
But why you say one die young? Two.
Are you my
Let me
age?
tell her.
Are you my age?
Two Ogbonge.
I want even marry another one join as an 87-year-old woman at the
You're
finance.
welcome, Obi
I'm
Martin.
telling
Bring me where be first.
I see you for dream, they do like this. I see you for my dream, they do like
you
this.
see, say, you want me to die, people like my wheel.
I see you for dream, they do
You know talk now, easy bit.
What you say make I talk? See two women where you carry this around.
Abi.
You give me anyone.
This guy don't talk in mind today. He don't talk in mind today. He don't talk in mind
I want to ask
today.
you, Ugochi, Skip, if I come up for house, what if they happen between us? Skip. Easy bit.
No, the point I be say if you come up for house. The point I be say you don't come up for house. Then say me person they be in brother's keeper. Just leave that part for us. Anything will happen where you know.
You
that
get one day.
secrets,
Ask me. You get one day. Say, "Oh, go chico." It's a big help. I just bra.
Okay.
I can't say you know who sabi say if that easy bit you go do and work. Hey.
That one, he hear me from out too. I know.
Skip it. Go first. Because I will break person here for this set. He tell me say, you know even sabi if na easy bit now, he
go do am easily.
He tell me say, you know what I say I remove the brown. He say normally as a sharp man, now one hand when I was young, back am. But they just they count on me.
I know.
Now the back hand I want come on.
You know say they count on you.
He say na easy bit now. As he put one.
And the
Obi my boss, serious, you get degree for this thing. Obi.
I want you see, young boys for the house. More talk with see, more talk as it be. Now 10 o'clock we day. You understand? So now censored. See, any boy who wants to get, no wear jeans we get button. Because see, I he go take, and if he take, he dey lose. Where jeans we get zip, Baba.
Say now we now go see.
No, I know they spoil small boy like me.
I don't want to.
No, they spoil small boy like
When
me.
you wear jeans we get zip,
You don't, You don't hear when I tell you my name.
Now in topic, it
You don't
just
hear
starts.
when I tell you my name. I say my name is Ice K. The K na kid, yo. Ice Kid.
Skippy, let's go funny. Let's go funny.
Okay. No time to check time. Maybe we just sharply enter our cocoa of the day. I don't talk before say cocoa of the day. Now one or two things so we did talk about on top of the show where people know. And now the one where we get on top of the table today, we hear say John Legend kiss his wife Bobby for public. You go see the picture now. Maybe for know what they talk about. Say John Legend, that one and that Obodo yonder musician saying kiss his wife Bobby.
If not me, I go swallow am.
Sure you get now the point where go come most people mind now be say people will bring this topic up. Waiting concern you. You not talk saying girlfriend Bobby. You not talk saying baby mama Bobby. You talk saying in wife Bobby.
So me now, I fit kiss my wife Bobby for this show.
No. Then say for public.
See,
You go come out.
from the picture self.
Yes.
No be say na the nipple. Na the
You
cleavage.
get what Oyibo, if Oyibo never see,
See now.
and these two things will be like this, they no believe say they don't see
I
breast.
just forget.
So for here,
I skip forget.
naturally they tell you.
I just
What do you want?
Skippy,
Okay,
forget.
no, but Obi,
Forget.
Go public.
See, why it be news? Na John Legend.
Yeah.
No be so.
Now the thing.
Now that Bobby, if say that me, I go even bite and come for the chest.
Your
You see
wife.
my- before.
Which one you gonna suck again if you don't buy that one?
Don't worry about it. Don't go for me.
oh wait. You know why me I no go to blame her for this thing. Some people must criticize and go say yes. The one that they do for house never do. One na come carry and come
They need,
outside.
he don't talk
Come
about. They
on.
need news.
No, may we talk through. For Obodo Yibo, to be very, very serious.
Yes.
This thing no be big deal at all. The reason why the thing be big deal, now because na John Legend.
Legend.
You understand? We don't work as
You job like you now, SK now. They watch. They watch.
We dey
SK.
see many.
Job like you now. Just naked now for this show now.
Okay, just like on our
No, see,
So where on our say?
Na example in the talk.
SK wait.
He say,
Who show us me naked?
so that the thing for me become news. So maybe myself go enter CNN.
Before. Which one? I said
If you
SK
naked,
naked.
na 3 of una go dey do this show because me and Skin go just
We waka come on.
No be you talk say one person go follow naked for.
You see? Then they follow hold you again. You skip it. Well, John Legend, I SK. This talk now. You are beginning to use these tactics to take over what.
Wait, so no. I cannot take over what does not belong to me. But a taker who takes a taker cannot take a taker that cannot take a taker against a taker.
Now, people say that a guy man cannot guy a guy yo.
But serious, I dey wait make una talk one particular thing. I dey wait make una talk one thing. Say this thing wey dem do now na public display of affection, which is very nice. But inside all these Naija musicians wey we get, how many people fit do am for public? You know, some people once they don't put ring for the woman, they don't put am for house.
Problem
then
for
they believe say
Naija
yes,
say
she
no
don dey
more
work on
talk
am.
true. You see, like I said, Obodo Yibo, the thing come on, it no be big deal at all. So we feel call them their culture based on saying something way they do every time.
You know,
No, get one way up, no. Two-Face and Annie.
Okay.
Maybe during that time.
Okay, yes.
When they go do burial.
Yes.
What did Annie do? They don't get tired after so many.
Now the guy can sleep.
He don't sleep. They talk and say they give him
head.
So
They talk as it. That's why they give her head.
Well, let's say I never really
Me
say.
remember that. But the thing be say,
I just
the
dey
thing
think
no
am.
dey
But I
our
never
own
reason am.
culture. You know, they our own culture like that. More we talk true. The reason be say, if the thing happen
they are
for
coming,
public,
they are coming
for
there.
example, between any public celebrity for Nigeria with him and his wife, our culture go come looking like. Now don't forget say una get house. You understand? Because you know
See another two way happen. See Tiwa.
You understand?
You know that kind of thing. It go be like news. It go be like person that one Nigerian artist do this thing now.
Hey, bros, you know what happened? No be our culture, abi.
So no
No be
be
our
our
culture.
So what they do am inside
So
house,
they
abi?
do public
No, they do am
affairs.
So they
Because
show
you know why? We go talk say we dey spoil our okay. More we do am for that kind place where there is one galleria somewhere. You know that one kind place. May even one guy, one girl. They there even they no popular. Where they no popular, may they just one ordinary
social.
You see, matter you for Obodo Yibo, one person just go, hey, just kneel down. Hey, baby, will you marry me? People go, they waka, they go. People, they waka, they go, they come. If it happen for that kind of place, people go gather, they want to watch the movie.
But
they go
ISK,
begin camera.
ISK.
Person will not be their relative.
ISK, see,
Because it no be our culture.
see, and they ask people, say, why be saying I ring when they propose? I feel Apple now propose to anybody.
I she go just go
Now
to
you
care.
want
Calm down. If you use Apple, she go shop am. And the apple,
It don't
na
finish with
perishable
that.
product. It don't finish with that. The ring na something when go they see
24/7.
every time.
All right, skip it.
Oh, no.
That's the reason. And now
Get
we
around
touch
though.
the apple.
Okay, what do you want to
Make we
have
Hold
this
down,
begin
hold down,
brush
no.
the apple.
Shebi na apple
This
you talk say
place,
one
this
say.
place be like Garden of Eden.
Shebi na apple
And
you
then
talk
they
say
give
one
us
say.
apple.
Make person no call face for you. Now apple. Oh baby. 1, 2, 3, 6.
Diamond don't swear.
Now the 6 pick where you go from
Diamond
now.
never fail. I beg. Diamond still there.
Shebi, if I verse man, I'll say I the verse for celebrity, abi. I carry person come chop again, they hold my hand. Make come show. Skip it. No time,
Calm
no time.
down,
Don't
calm
go
down.
funny.
You
No
know
time.
what-
The next segment,
Now
no
this
the verse.
person you introduce to us, never introduce us to now.
Now by force.
You never tell us who she be.
You don't begin chop up, make you naked. See your suit don't begin come up for your body. If ice cream naked for here, now you chop apple. The problem is say now if I say ice cream if you naked, where are you? He go say Obi, I'm naked. Now what's it cost wrong with that? Adam, a Nigerian man. God ask her one simple question.
Just one.
Adam, where are you? He say God, I'm naked. Now what did he ask me that? He say not like God say God, I'm hiding behind the apple tree. God will say look up, you go see one shirt there.
I be wear am.
Wear only shirt, forget Nika. But Adam just go answer, ask her. Now, imagine some of us naked now. By now, we're not naked after the show. So, okay, now, it's the late night show with Obi Martins, Skippy and Ugochi. Then Skippy said, go naked. Yes, so, Scatabalas, Shokoto. Earthquake, they come. All right. Can we be earthquake? Skippy, I beg, I just go to the next team. Look, we no talk.
Seriously, Obi, that wish time I go tire you.
Oh God.
Because I don't tire for you. I don't tire, but
Easy because of the trash. Okay.
Go naga.
Skippy.
Okay.
Let's go funny,
On to the next level. We don't hear now say Boris Kojo. Yes, I dey talk about that Hollywood actor. Boris Kojo don't come outside counter world leader. Say wetin happen, especially inside Nigeria, we be say more than 200 people by 200 civilian men, women, children. Wetin happen when nobody come outside can do unity march for them. And wetin make am talk this one, I be say if you check am out inside Obodo yonder few days ago, we know say 17 people peme. Share you get, and these 17 people wait payment over 1.5 million people, including 40 world leaders for Paris. 9 come outside, can't do waiting, can't do solidarity march for them. You go check them out, say 17 people 9 die, 12 of them cartoonists. Yes, these people come outside, over 1.5 million people. Now the point I be saying inside Nigeria where we dey.
If you look your screen, I go see there. He said the killing of English.
Okay.
He said the killing of 17 victims in 3 despicable terrorist acts this week prompted a unity march of 1.5 million people,
Good.
including 40 world leaders in Paris. Well done. Maybe it's just me, but did anyone else hear about Nigeria 2000? My brother, I bet nobody.
See,
We know.
Now, only one thing I just want to talk. Now, how many times they go to do the
Match.
How many times? Because I don't waiting today. I'm waiting. I'm very sure. Say by tomorrow, go here's another bomb blast or whatever. And I be saying now every time where the bomb blast.
I know. Say I don't want to dwell on this matter because I'm sensitive. Ice
Now they talk, but they happen like.
Ice see. I
But
don't want to dwell on this matter. Wait.
May we talk through. May we talk through. May we talk the truth.
I talk the truth first. I don't know what you want to talk.
If truly, for example, on Chibok girls
Yes.
alone, if we had like an emergence of people, like 1.5 people, you know the meaning of 1.5 million people?
Earthquake.
You know the meaning of 1.5 million people? If you, okay, for example, they do one show called Lagos.
Earthquake.
See people as them plenty.
Ice skate.
See people are just
Ades.
200,000.
Okay, you know wetin happen. You know wetin happen.
Wait,
No be no judge this
Skippy.
matter.
This matter, I don't want to dwell on that because it's a sensitive issue. Now only God knows the truth of the matter.
Very sensitive.
But if it's 1.5, there was a time when I do subsidy, people match you. But I don't want more to talk. I'm going to go speak for. I'm going to go speak against because at the earthquake.
It's not stable.
Now here now they see my own chop.
Yes.
I mean, I'm so you self.
I feel
Exactly. So, this matter now God will help us. Now God know the truth of the matter.
Exactly.
Because
Me and you don't know.
We don't
Whether
know.
I plan or anything, skip
You
it.
just want to talk true.
No talk. Okay, we don't want
talk
your truth.
true.
We don't want your truth.
Ah,
Keep your truth.
Anybody will talk to will go fire for this matter. I'm telling you.
No
All right,
talk
skip
true.
me. More Ross go.
Topic of the day. But
Go
before we
market,
go the topic of the day, maybe we first enter market, maybe we do one or two things for there. We go show back on top the late night show. DJ ZBT, don't get set. Thank you.